Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, we are making broiled basil, tomato and eggs. This recipe is so easy and quick to make, guys. It only takes 10 minutes. Then you'll have your delicious breakfast on the table. First, we're gonna start off by slicing our tomatoes. Then place them on a greased baking sheet. This recipe, guys, is so simple yet so delicious, so light and refreshing. It only requires few ingredients such as eggs, tomatoes, olive oil, salt, black pepper and fresh basil. That's all you need, guys. So next we're gonna chiffonade our basil, then sprinkle it on top of the tomatoes. Next we're gonna season our tomatoes with salt and black pepper. If you want it hot, you can sprinkle a little bit of cayenne pepper. This recipe is so easy and quick to make. It takes only 10 minutes from start to finish to have that delicious, light and refreshing breakfast. You can also serve this with a toast. I have the oven on broil, so we're gonna go ahead, pop this in the oven and broil for 5 minutes. Next we're gonna move on to cook the eggs. In a large skillet over medium heat, heat oil, crack eggs into a pan, leaving spaces in between. Cook them for 4 to 5 minutes until whites are set and yolks are slightly set. Guys, it's up to you. I like my eggs over medium. You can make yours over hard, over easy, or sunny side up. So season with salt and let them cook on low heat until done. There you have it, guys. Broiled tomato, basil and eggs. This recipe is so simple. The tomatoes, guys, besides being delicious, they are packed with fiber, vitamin A and C, and a tiny of E, potassium and lycopene. So it's good to have tomatoes as a light meal. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Now it's time to serve. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Guys, it's very crucial, guys. If you leave a comment down in the comment section down below, it really helps the channel to grow. Please, guys, share this video with your friends and your family. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my honey.